Everything is available for free on the internet for free. I'm not saying this is said by Elon Musk, and I strongly agree with this statement. Hello everyone, this is Akash. Today we will talk about how to get free data science courses with certificate by Great Learning. Friends, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you have subscribed to this channel and clicked on that bell icon. And if you got to learn something from this video, then just do like this video. That motivates me to create more videos. So friends, without wasting time, let's get started. Guys, open your favorite browser and just type olympus.greatlearning.in/courses. Don't worry guys, link is given in the description below. Just click on that link and within few seconds you will land on this official page of Great Learning. Guys, if you are new to this website, then make sure you have created your account on this site for accessing courses for free. First of all, create your account here, and these are my undergoing courses guys, and these are my completed courses here, and I got certificates also. Just click on browse courses here, and if you want to learn courses related to data science, then click on data science. You can see a lot of courses are there. Introduction to R, basic, EDA. Yeah, there is a lot to learn for free. These all are free courses guys, as you can see here. And now we will click on machine learning. Yes, there are a lot of courses for free related to machine learning. Yes, you can learn these all courses for free. Big data, marketing and finance, cloud computing. Yeah, there is digital marketing as well, and it is for free. Yes guys, SEO for beginner, everything is there. And oh my god, interview preparation is there. Everything is there guys, everything is available for free. Guys, just create your account and start learning. So let me show you how to register for a particular course. I will click on data science, and then I will click on basic exploratory data analysis. Yes, as you click on basic exploratory data analysis course, you can see the course detail here. Yeah, these are the skills which will be covered in this course, and this is the course syllabus here. And guys, this is the course that this is how your certificate looks like. These are the more data science courses, and these are also for free. Now we will enroll for this course. Just click on enroll now. Yeah, the course timing is 1 hour. You can complete this course within an hour and get your certificate. As you enroll for this course guys, you will see the syllabus first of all. Yes, this is the syllabus, and there is one quiz. As you complete the quiz, you can claim your certificate here. Now let me click on the very first video agenda of this course. As you click on this, you will see the detailed syllabus here. Yes, and you can create your notes while watching the videos. Yes friends, this is how you can learn a lot of courses for free. So thank you for watching this video. See you soon in the next video. Until then, goodbye.